Let go din. Special mention. Hi, Catherine. Pakanan, hindi pa kaliwa. Ano? Sino ko na nakuha eh. Sino ko na narinig, diba? Wala lang. Alam mo. This will be it again. Now I'm here, right beside the one I love. I see she's in love with someone else. Now I know I just got to let her go. It's over. Help me get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go. And I know there's no sense in holding on so much to something fading. Help me get over you. You're so happy with him. Deep inside, I just don't know what to feel. I'm sure you don't need me anymore, so I'll go on, try my best to just move on. Now that it's over, I got to get on. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go. And I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me get over you. Let go daw oh. Let go din kasi pag may time, diba? Let go ka na. Let God.